Hi everyone. I just wanted to go over the website checklist with you. I'm sorry that the other video didn't work well, but here we go. So the website can be done on any platform that you choose. It can be Weebly, it can be Wix, it can be Google Sites. It's really up to you. This is not a graphic design class, so the website, I'm much more interested in your content rather than your presentation. So wherever you feel comfortable, go for it. So the first section of and these sections I'm also leaving up to you. These are the sections that I want. There are 5 of them, but you can put them in any order that you choose. I want this to be a useful tool for you as a professional and as you move forward in your career and as you move forward into your classroom next year. Section 1, or the first section, should be a recommended list of apps and web-based technology resources. They should be broken up according to your certification area. So for example, if you're an elementary teacher, you would want that to be in grades 1 through 6, and you'd have 5 or 6 resources in each grade with a total of about 25 to 30 resources. So spread them out. If there's a particular grade area, like I know few of you are 4th grade teachers, just like I used to be. I love 4th grade. And you would maybe want to have more of an emphasis on that 3, 4, 5 group of resources to work with your kids who are at different levels. And then you would want to feature, what I'm asking you to do is to feature 2 resources at each level, which would be apps or websites that should have high educational value. You'd have a video or a photo of them, and you would have a link to lesson plans or classroom recommendations. In the next section, you would have teaching strategies using technology. So for example, using station rotation, which Tucker talks about on her website, or you might choose flipped classroom, which we will be doing some reading about, and which, you know, really so much of what we've done over the past few months in our classrooms has been a flipped classroom, right? But completely flipped. And we almost completely flipped. But anyway, back to the website. What I'll ask you to do is choose 2 strategies at each grade level that you're certified for, and then use those strategies, use that time and that space to talk about how you would use those strategies in your classroom or at that grade level. You would want to include a bibliography there of the resources that you have. So where did you get your information about flipped classroom, or where did you get your information about station rotation? So you'd want to cite Tucker there. Section 3 is your technology integration plan or the professional development plan. It's just a great place to house it so that you can show it off, strut your stuff, let people know like how amazing you are, and have it up there for people. This says section, I messed up the section numbers, but the next section should be your research on using technology as a differentiation tool in your classroom. So a brief paragraph for the articles. You should read 5 articles. 3 of them should be peer-reviewed. You can get those through Maxwell Library. And 2 should be practitioner-based. So peer review would be the research articles that are those scholarly articles. Practitioner-based might be something that you found on EdSurge or EdUtopia, or one of Cult of Pedagogy, one of these particular types of resources that have great access for teacher, and I've been linking to those throughout the semester. And the final section should be anything that would be your personal addition, a place to introduce yourself to your audience, include any extra material or something that was really interests you. And I would recommend that you also use this as a place for people to maybe find out a little bit about your background as well. So I hope this is helpful. And if you have any other questions, please make sure you send me a remind or an email, and I will try to answer them. All right, everybody, have a great day.